Hi, GC News. Mima Obibia Akwawa. I had here latest and hot news in Kwa Enamide Bremo. Eluti, so when you subscribe, I say over subscribe to the channel. You say over click the subscribe button. Now, obey notification. We say new video be uploaded. When the first person I want to video. I feel we are like video to give us a thumbs up. Now, share my offer to be here and say had your latest and hot news kwana mede ebremo afiyembo wa ye ensemu ye hwe eye ensema abeto ye proso yiti ye sankumo ye koso nsemu ababetu ga yiti
Honorable Eugene Boachi Entry eye MP for Subi asene ne adontena na ye nino emi enkombo mi wa me moche
One Ebru, necessary.
Boko now swear.
Go good, I mean,
Ami.
Super Ami.
Ah, come on.
Don't cry.
Yeah. I'm sure that we will come up and you come
over. I want to super. Every son of it.
Ami. Now, when you're about China, Assembly a metifi Honorable Haruna Idrisu ho and watch say moba parliament here was it the brother na moba say senate you dia mo ba enie wo be mu parliament na enipa bi a wo man yo magizon be ko independent mi ensa ye mbi before ba ko so ye ndisi ni de obayenie se ba ne sa dia article a constitution some government say you omufiwo you omufiwo straight away then this for minority
news all time
and this for majority na mo so MP before mo be minority and komoyi at say without ma mi nu adwe kire
abi de bi ka me cheche fu na machia omoiti so Dana after you know
okay then once
MPP for teaching a soon out of place. Wale asema mimi ya kaida ijushi obabu haina ijushi former minority leader kaya ndiye wale anyana kwashwa Kwame de bia no gonna have the shit but you actually be a go for 20 so into me
but say oya mranimu oya lawyer uti bia wo kan wo kotu atikede di 4G
yeah lawyer 720 ye ka and na sibi jomo asen
okay
and so lawyer but afa wo kan nam ko ma nam ko lawyer na nje so wo kan nam ko I will get up and do a move for and you are in a country. If you need your man, so Bamash, a Menimone, a Mashibu Genoa, would do work with me. It's very good man, but I saw a walker. A Bonivia. If you say you're not a MPP and that's because Queen, you share it. So, that's all MPP, the Copas, I'm a one way. And I'm not only national, and they can't do it.
Which you say?
Which you say, Tema, right from above, Michael Queen speaker. I met second deputy speaker, Honorable and the Siama, Eco independent, no. Right leader, right speaker, Michael Quick, Mercedes Jumbo, said, was three parties. But first of all, Honorable Quick, no, you're wrong.
What's your learning?
And we're wrong, I don't know because Michael Quick need 2 minutes of constitution anymore. We need 2 minutes to declare, will be no longer a member of the NPP. We say 2 minutes. Or let the whole parliament show mostly economy and all three parliaments.
Oh, na commercial go independent here.
Well, so that after the party, one is the you never parliament for swimming. but my father is not independent. They are affected Libya as MP for Sudan. When independent may contest for the ninth parliament. Then what they are here? You right, say a nice week for Oman 2020. Maybe also. My husband in few men. Can be because they're not independent in this. Not independent. If you say, my resign is sick to see the independent. What I say, what is it matter? What is it by election? What the resign here? As it is for by election. What I say. But we always resign you. What say? The next parliament, the next parliament.
Hot news all time.
What I say? But the Duma is all yet at a part of the land. Now, say, Aguna West, and I say, you should go on. Why say you want? What I say? If you know, every thing I want to say, or a moment for majority. That's what can anybody know. Bibia, make us say, now say, I say, a million more than what you do this year, man. Any more than 2 million, and yet. It's not a water. What?
Me too, Papa.
I don't know about the option. Just what say. You move this man, and you move it to my way.
Sanity.
I had a make us a right honorable professor Aaron Michael Quinn. Far Assembly of Kano 2020. As Libya, a Siama, or a former MP that time so called dependent, you know. And only that MP takes so parliament. And number of our edition of officers with the other. No. They are coming back and oh, yeah. Now, say, oh, we all are coming in that area. I think Sophia, you quite like how I'm here. What's the reason? What I say? Sophia was only quite like how I'm there. And I can't go with you. What's the reason? What I say? Aha. Maybe I can't, Mama. You want to go to Parliament, and I think they are so over my quiet. This says, we challenge you Supreme Court. Supreme Court question. What I say? Then over the class, almost one bad digital. What I say? System of Quay, financial ties, a party panel, or free parliament. What I say? Or free parliament, you know, Quay, which is your key in 2020, no? Was wrong then, it's wrong now, it's wrong every day. And no number, and then I don't do some after a kind of work. What I say? If you know, we feel so what for the man by years, what for the man by years to man? There's another actually every cross capital. All the same parliament. Okay, that's what I was saying.
By saying, and yeah.
Aha, I know the of course capital, because let me see when now I come to the NDC media. I know the I know that for the what I say. But the party the father to belong to the majority caucus now. The year is one do them. But when the intention says in the next parliament we parliament with no be here the battle. One more the October content ko. What I say. And what said by it, it will be a competition too, no. We shouldn't complete the issues.
Now, I question back and say, if you are not used to, sir, the Okoye crown and maybe I will take cue from that. But when running money, as many news are
hot news all time.
Say, okay,
Yamahano, Macassar says, Yama, you will both Sabato who be sure. The better they could tweet to my details. And will be a lawyer. We had a lot for you more.
Papa.
Yes,
if you go and talk about
it, be more. You know, if you are in the say the first thing to if you say I'm a student, every other.
If you are,
that's right, one of the first people you bano, and you want them the acre. Let's get depersonalize the assembly. Let's assemble the one I can want them. And manager said only high court, not speaker, not MP, not any political party, any political parliamentary seat vacant. What a manager. What I say? What a manager, a child timeline with a home. With that all kind of minimum, if you be a dema, a mile, another a Amaduku, any more see and I say you one number so much. But I come on come. When you say in England, we say Ababa be said to me no. What is here?
Now, honorable, why not a team declare seat be vacant? Now, it's based on what? Standing orders are now say a constitution and not the
I say standing orders, special constitution. Constitution is a Supreme Court for you, man. Some orders say, yeah, but if you have the power from the constitution, and you see the media, honorable, you wife to about, and it was about one TV. The court was for TV. You are standing order, you need to constitution. Constitution is one interpretation. It is Supreme Court. What is here? If I was say, Ghana Constitution, no, apart from High Court, we can see the vacant, no. What is here? And I think, of course, we would be attending the straightforward matter, we would have to agree about farmer. And yet, Speaker, what is here? Every year empty, every year for party, we can see vacant. So, I don't need to call you, no. Why we empty? There was a for the Yamuki and this for Capacity or Capacity. But if you're a Meduma, what is this? I'm not be said to me, no. What is this? We need said to me, no. What is this? I'm not here, and you start to be good for so. Somewhere or bless one. Let the man and the Gina so grounded in what? And what yes, I decided the reason the movie, but Michael Quay was wrong. But I was wrong. I don't make I want to go to the reasons. And but I called that to declare, says, Siama, and you remember 500 and I am wrong. Because you will be ready. If you will be the killer, so on here, if you want to class or so on, you'll be ready. We don't want to go into that. But the decision was wrong. We say, I said, the power army, let's specialize ourselves. Only people you be also part evidence. After the decision is taking on the Formula matter in 2020, a time India and the Sema for independence. The decision taken by the speaker then was wrong in law, in common sense, in everything. Like I what I say, because speaker only 2 minutes to declare to be vacant. And only 2 minutes to be speaker, I don't think we will be party. We are speaker, we are neutral person, we are like a referee. What do you mean you be party? That people be be party, you a party now. Party now, I'm not meeting you. But what do you tell me, me a chairman, me a president, me a vice president, me a general secretary, it may you be a party. What do you say to me now? It is said, I am a Obia, the left form of the joining. So this is your ma, I read it. If you pass on 2 maybe be able to play your people. Say no, some years, I fire and drama away. How do you do? I to be education. What of someone you carry? But that decision was wrong. What I said, that decision was wrong in 2020. It's wrong today. It will be wrong in 100 years time. It's as simple as that.
Oh, to a baby. Na making Kaya was say. Former minority leader Haruna Iddrisu has indicated his plans to invoke Articles 94G of the Ghanaian Constitution to compel 4 majority MPs to vacate their parliamentary seats after they declared their intentions to run as independent candidates in the upcoming elections. Now, it will declare intention. No. When declare intention, may contest in the next parliament. Said they're okay. No. Straight away as they invoke Article 94G.
And I make a choice. Sometimes we should not be overzealous in the interpretation of the Constitution. Which Article 94G may work. Because you never say, may use your voice century. And now I know said, you should be massive beginning. But my imagine said, the 2024 election, okay, we could not control. No next parliament, we will have a very independent member of parliament. Now, who be at what day? Now, somebody will remove them from parliament.
Okay, fam. Okay.
And
let me say, and that should be for maybe may call a constituency for, and I call my year, 12 years, if you have 15th of December. My mother to men, Yamaka to the Sacro, one more family view, and it's made Sunday. What that is? The first thing, every party constitution, the party try to say, or could depend on there, we don't want to party. And the partner, and more, and yet, of course, you must have to interpret this idea or whatever. I don't see it. Yes, though it's a professor of law, professor of political science. No need basis there. On the other hand, most possible no go there. Probably, I have worked for common sense, no, I work for common sense. Yes, see, I know how everything they are going to go against machine. If you are English, and the constitution say, so what you want content for you want to pass every person. It is not people who are someone, only things are more than me, or more from what they can like to them. So I expel from the party. Said yes. You are paying Alan Martin, the two are there, one or so, or party, so one year later too. Alan Martin is all resigning. One resigning.
All resigning.
Go on, that's the whole part of the election. What part of the for every idea or your own, you know, it was all resigning. If you got that, you're joining. It's all resigning, so I'm joining one resigning. If you have a corner, will be joining with the few, you'll be idea. What if I say to you, every party will be idea. I didn't tell you that one, I cool, and will be joining me. If they don't decide to say, I'm not going to be sure. You can resign. While you're going to be jump past you'll be expelled. What I said? It may money that you will be to be there, what will to the party, and will be there, what will see that will be a man, and more, and not me too. And if you're will be a to me. So your president too, so your general secretary, so your be a secretary will be a party.
Oh, but some will say, what to make sure a commodity, but I be a general secretary, no, sure, and your commodity say, when you say party, yes, it's all to way, party constitution, where you want him. It depends anyway, I will into where you want the party. One should become a hoping, one should become in conformity. And to say,
I make myself say, and all this, hosting the no. Sama Ura Alachamateka say, or resign from the party. No, hosting could be the chief. I don't know a campaign. I don't always resign from the party. And you just get to be much trouble.
Okay.
So what I said, why did you care party? So what I said, but the one that would Alachamateka say, or the spokesperson, and only call round. Obviously, party.
Okay, fam. 1 0.
What I said, the party will be happy. The party need to have happened. You haven't made it to me. But I can I then let's chat for. Now this is a party. We can't really make a copy of my partner with Diana. Oh, who say election thing? We know we are. What I say. So we say party maybe to until the water qua. Fine. Anyone more possible. But who speak now, you put to me, you say, where we depend the party. Say the 2 years and the same that time will be Anka. For the Ghanaian, you need one more person. I could have said that we have one person to form majority. So on the television. Aha. It's the party, you're the dominant. You're dumb, it will be said, and then to people party, now you will name Kata, eminent to the last will be Ghana, and I'm myself, okay, the MP, you know, and the what you have about Mobia. Maybe the amount of 4-year mandate, me amount of 4-year mandate, since the amount of 4-year mandate. What that is, will be on 4-year mandate. 4-year mandate is to me, you are out. You will not watch.
Now, me go on, are you honorable?
What between 10 round cassette? The pastor will be applying with your coin. All because we will interpret constitution.
Are you honorable? The enemy go on me when say. So our cancer say one seat uniquely vacant. Now you can come over election before election now. You better.
I will say the farmer. So we let it. Look, I'm not saying that with my body being a stadium. So I don't think I'm more so any day to the prime minister, you know, and all resign again. Like a sit on the vacant. So one resign, all resign, sit on the vacant. Apart from that, 2 clear options, you know. This is Supreme Court, or High Court for interpretation. And where to go to Supreme Court. If you will be able to the first one is that since I'm all trying to speak now. But all the MPP, let me take it through now or the MP.
Take it now.
That's silence. I think it is. I think that party is silent. Say silence, the party must speak, the party must act. What is the policy or the only take it a demo? So let me take it a call demo. Is there a party is why you get your party now? Why is the party actually able to say about other? The hard one, I don't party to be told to obey your party. Because he still says a lot of public for people. If you come out of the mind, kind of book or the empty or the in a way professor, in a way a lawyer, and I want to get around. In the end, they get it wrong all the time. Because we are human beings, we get it wrong all the time.
101.7.
All the time. If I did not buy a trouble, you are civil idea, and now if you be able to watch it. What do I say? And now, fast and not say, it's 2020. And if you are not, honorable, I will dish, I will fast away about it. And sometimes we are so all for that. Now, show you. Yes. Because we'll be able to me say, we speak every 2 weeks, we will be a people. I say, we'll be able to pass. No, we'll be a party, you know. A new patriotic party, new patriotic a party leadership. Chairman, you know, secretary meeting. Now, I say, oh, I come out and say, then it's okay, the party, the party, and I so let it say unity party. But you won't speak, I know you man.
I see.
Yo, it's for winning and some more about the toy, Yapuno so. Because you see so and now no so when you subscribe here or more than so best subscribe to the channel. This answer had here later and hot news in Kwa and I'm a Premo. I feel we are not like a video no nothing share my offer for sooner when you be here no who ends somewhere and coso ewo dara memoir. Also bet me actually working after a year and somewhere now I will comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.